Hi you guys, this is Allison hanging out in my space to craft, and I'm coming at you with an unboxing of the September Mercy Tiara kit. I get mine a little late because it comes from Canada, and I've had it just a couple of days, but was waiting to unbox it for you guys. So I haven't even looked in it yet, though I have seen a couple of unboxings. But before we do that, I also, in the last couple of days, got my camera swap, Kodak Moments swap from Ginger's Corner. So I wanted to go over that with you guys. Oh, and this says she was able to reuse my postage. So sometimes they don't stamp on the stamps, and so you get you get to use extra postage. So I have 10, I did 10 embellishments, and she sent me 10 back. So let's see. So she reused, oh, and she sent this back to me. But I've told her in the past that she can keep it, but that's okay. Hard to keep up with whose postage you can keep and who you can't. So let's take a look at all of my beautiful swaps. This is a really cute camera with some silver glitter paper and dragonflies. That's cute. Oh, let's see if they, and this one is, oh, she has a stamp. That's nice. Nancy Stidham. I need to get myself a stamp. This one is a cute, looks a little bit like a film strip with a camera on it. And Smile from Judy S. This one, I like that they used some paper in the back, some designer paper instead of cardstock, and some black gems. That's cute. This is from Marsha Underwood. That's really cute and very useful colors as well. Here's black and turquoise camera. And cameras are always useful. I'm gonna have to go back through the page kits that I'm making right now and see if any of these will work on the page kits that I'm making, because I don't think I've included cameras so far. This is, oh, this is from Ginger, who is the coordinator over on Ginger's Corner. That's real cute with the film strips and the stars. That's real cute. All right. Here's a small one that's very easy to use that says Say Cheese. So it would work on a Disney page too. Lisa Petrello. And she put the year on there. Hopefully it won't be in my stash for that long. Don't even think about taking that picture. That's really cute with a viewfinder and a film strip. And they're not attached, so you can mix and match. All right. Oh, this is a cute layered, oh, no, separate. This is from Linda Jean, and it's, and she added an extra piece of the paper that's used a big giant film strip, so you could really tuck, oh, and she's done it so that you can tuck a photo in there. That's really cute. And film strips here, and an extra piece of paper to help decorate the page. That's really cute. Keep those together. And then this one is a girl taking a photo. I love it. And that is from Colleen Corneth. That's really cute. Lots of detailed work on that. Really cute. In fact, did she? Oh, this must be a stamped image, and she stamped it multiple times and paper pieced it together. Really cute. And then colored the body. That's really cute. Nice effect. And then this one came in its own little baggie. And it is from Kathy Marion, and it's a Polaroid shaker pocket. So cute, with a heart and my favorite color, purple. That is so cute. It's a nice big one. All right, so those are my camera swaps. I have a whole section in my ephemera binders for cameras, and I'll probably put all of these in there. Even the ones that are just film strips, I think that qualifies as cameras. So that's super awesome. I won't be able to participate in October's because I'll be gone most of that month, but I've really enjoyed these swaps. So go to Ginger's Corner and take a look. All right, now Mercy Tiara. This is the September kit. I do only get the basic just because I have so much stash. So I don't get the, there's a cardstock add-on that you can do. There's an embellishment add-on that you can do. All sorts of stuff. So this is the Mercy Tiara Kit News, and it's pretty fun because it goes through, it gives you some color swatches to help you pick out inks to go with it. It does some spotlights of some previous pages, some planning areas, and a sketch to work from. And if you do the sketch and post before the end of the month, then you can win a gift card. I never have been able to do that yet. So let's see what's in the kit. We will start getting a preview of some of the embellishments, but we'll start with the papers. Now, some of this, quite a bit of this is Chamel. I have already bought some Chamel, but I don't care because it's awesome. So this is Chamel Reasons to Smile, Bloom Wild. It's a gorgeous floral on kind of a purpley pink background. I don't think I've bought this paper yet. And the back is this pinky tone-on-tone stripe, but it's watercolory. It's sort of distressed looking. So that's great. These are connected, so it's not super easy to fussy cut, but there are some that I think you can fussy cut, but it's a pretty paper. This one is called Learn Always. Some great backpacks and cameras and books for fussy cutting or using in a strip, and it's on a blue grid. And then here's some purpley pink stars on for a background. That would make a great background page. This is Paige Evans Adventurous. I have not bought much paper from Paige Evans Adventurous, but I really like it, and I've bought some embellishments from her and the stickers from the stamps from this kit. So I love, these are beautiful tags, really gorgeous. Oh, and the back is this kind of ombre blues with a graphic, really pretty. And she uses different border strips, so that's fun and interesting. This is Chamel Reasons to Smile, similar floral, but this one is fussy cuttable because they're separate. All these things are separate, so you can fussy cut them, and they're on a blue, it's really a purpley blue background. This one is called Thrive Now, and the back is some white florals on a teal. Really pretty. Oh, I guess I could leave these out so we can see them. All right. Next is another Chamel paper, Reasons to Smile, Rest Often. So beautiful rainbow stripe, but it's kind of like on a wood grain almost. It's that sort of watercolor, so it's not solids. And then these are pillows and blankets. So great for a home or a sleepover or something like that. But then you also have this fun and bright rainbow. This is called Reach Tall, Reasons to Smile, potted plants, and a pink wood grain on the back. That's really fun. And then this is back to Adventurous, Paige Evans. This is page number 23 with a diagonal floral, which is different. Usually you get them in two corners or a wreath. This is really fun and would make a great base layout. Put a picture here, put a title across the middle, easy peasy. And the back is a splattery, almost like a, what's it called? Not terrazzo. The tiles, but it's all different blues. It's really pretty. And look how great this goes though with the Chamel papers. This is curated really nicely. It goes great with everything. All right, this is Radiate Positivity. I think I have bought this, but I love it. Easy to use twice. And look at the back with the oranges and the hearts and the stars. So useful. And I know I have bought this because I loved the hearts, but you know what else I love? This is called Keep Laughing, the navy cameras. So no reason to not have two of those. Very useful. Wow, you get a lot of paper. This is number 13, Adventurous from Paige Evans. And look how great it looks with those cameras. And, oh, it just, so cute. Purple flowers. And then this is Wordy Bits, Explore All Aboard. So would make a really nice background, actually, for a travel page. Love it. This is number 19 from Adventurous, just loads and loads of butterflies, and look how cute it looks with all of the Chamel, and they're all fussy cuttable, and the back side is a pink on pink, tone on tone pinky florals. I love these A-sides though. This is number 15, Adventurous. It is a ombre rainbow background with little yellow and white daisies on it. Really cute. And the background is a super bright yellow. That's a little too bright for me, but I love this. Goes with everything once again. And then there is, there's a specialty paper, which is super cool that they included this because I did not buy this. It is a pre-cut laser cut, and look what you can do with it. So you can overlay it on top of here and then tuck in photos. So cute. So these two really kind of go together. Or you can use this separately on another paper. But I love it together and giving that dimension. So it would make a really special layout. And the fact that I have, I don't know if I did buy this, but so cute. So those are the papers. I'm gonna tuck this under here. So we get all the colors. And let's see what we have in embellishments. So the first is Fitzgerald is what Chamel calls it, but these are blue. They said they were navy, but they're not. It's a much brighter blue, but it's just beautiful. And I do already have this, but I know I was planning to buy a second one, so I'm very happy with that. And I just did a layout for a page, and I needed more glitter letters, so this is going to be perfect. It's going to go with some other letters that I have. This is a custom sequin mix that is just gorgeous and perfect that they made. It's got some little pink flowers in it, and then some sequins with holes and a bunch of sequins without holes. That's really cute, and it looks fabulous with it. Got the navy and the purple and the yellow. It's so great. This is Chamel's Reason to Smile stickers. I think I do already have this sheet, but I've used a lot of it already. Very handy. It's, you know, a variety of different motifs, hearts, rainbow stripes, wordy bits, some florals, some cake. Who doesn't need cake? And then we have the Paige Evans ephemera, which I'm very pleased to get. Let's take a look. Let's get a piece of paper that's a little more plain to use. Look at that floral airplane. That is cute. A tag. It does just say it's ephemera. Adventure cutout, a frame, lovely day, ticket. These actually punch out. All these little stamps were really cute. And then you get a Polaroid frame. There's a paper journal box, Polaroid frame. What does this say? Wander. Oh, got a little bit bent, but that's okay. And this is a vellum title. That's really cute. Journal postcard, some tags, mix and match. Those are really cute. And a luggage tag, let's go. That's really cute. I think I'm going to try and use this for a page kit that I have coming up that I'm taking on my cruise with me, because I'm seeing so many things that are gonna look so cute for the departure page for that vacation. Oh, look, this is cute. There's a heart and a geotag. So you get both a heart to use and a geotag in vellum. The Best Day in gold. Some nice specialty Bon Voyage in vellum. A tag. Bon Voyage not in vellum on white. A little airplane vellum. Vacation, little tag. Some more geotags. One with a heart, one with a flower, one with a star. That's really fun. This is my happy place. Some more geotags, some in vellum. Those are just amazing. A tab, XOXO, little flag, another look at all the cute geotags. Oh my gosh, those are just so fun. So fun. Together is my favorite place. Gorgeous. Remember. Wander. Here and Now. There's a little airplane cut out on this little flag. Getaway. Another Here and Now. I wonder if we were supposed to get two of those. together a little flag, another bon voyage, some more tags. This little vellum says travel. Oh, that's cute. Time flies, little vellum. Adventure, some more tabs, flags, tag. Let's go on an adventure. You are my favorite adventurer, and a map tag. Oh my God, that's so cute, you guys. So I cannot wait to use this kit. And I'm going to be putting together a very sweet travel departure page kit from this very soon. All right, thanks you guys. Come back for more.